Welcome back to our channel, people. Today, we are going to talk about a fascinating subject that has the potential to alter your life and financial prospects. We'll jump into the universe of outsourcing, a web-based plan of action that has been causing disturbance and creating pay for endless business people. We'll talk about what dropshipping is and how to get started earning money with it in this video. However, before we begin, please ensure that you hit the subscribe button and thumbs up this video to show your support. Also, if you have any questions or thoughts about dropshipping, feel free to leave a comment down below. Presently, how about we bounce right in? How does dropshipping work? So, what is dropshipping exactly? Well, it's a business model in which you act as a link between suppliers and customers. You won't have to worry about shipping products yourself or keep any inventory, unlike in traditional retail. Instead, you set up an online store and concentrate on product marketing and sales. At the point when a client makes a buy, you forward the request to the provider, who then sends the item straightforwardly to the client. It's a phenomenal method for beginning a business with negligible forthright speculation and above costs. So, what is dropshipping exactly? Indeed, it's a progressive plan of action that has overwhelmed the web-based business world. Simply put, dropshipping enables you to become a facilitator, facilitating the connection between eager customers and dependable suppliers. Imagine having your own online store, where you can choose from a wide range of products and never have to worry about shipping or keeping up with inventory. In contrast to customary retail, where you would have to put critical capital in buying and putting away items, outsourcing wipes out that trouble completely. All things being equal, you can zero in your significant investment on the main thing: building your image, promoting your items, and conveying remarkable client encounters. How does it work? You customize your online store to reflect your distinctive brand identity as you set it up. You can showcase a tempting selection of products carefully chosen to satisfy your target audience's needs and desires with just a few clicks. From moving style things to inventive contraptions, the conceivable outcomes are boundless. Now, the magic takes place here. You simply forward the information about the order to your dependable suppliers whenever a customer visits your online store and makes a purchase. They get to work right away, quickly packing the product and sending it to the customer's doorstep. While you watch as your business grows, you are freed up to concentrate on your strengths with this simplified procedure, growing your client base and scaling your business higher than ever. Accessibility is one of dropshipping's most appealing features. There is no longer a requirement for a sizable warehouse or a significant initial investment to get started. With insignificant above costs and no stock to make do, outsourcing presents a phenomenal chance for hopeful business visionaries to break into the universe of web-based business and transform their fantasies into the real world. Envision the opportunity of having the option to maintain your own business from any place on the planet, outfitted with only a PC and a web association. Dropshipping enables you to control your destiny and forge your own path to success. Whether you are a digital nomad or simply seeking financial independence, dropshipping shines as a beacon of possibility in a digital landscape that is changing at a rapid pace. It permits you to take advantage of the worldwide commercial center, arriving at clients a long ways past your nearby geological limits. With the right systems and showcasing methods, you can situate your store as a go-to objective for those looking for quality items, remarkable client care, and a consistent shopping experience. Therefore, dropshipping is your golden ticket if you've been looking for a business opportunity that offers flexibility, scalability, and the potential for substantial profits. Don't let your fear of the unknown keep you from taking risks. Embrace the intriguing universe of outsourcing and leave on an excursion that could change your life for eternity. You can turn your passion into a thriving online business with dedication, perseverance, and a dash of entrepreneurial spirit. Prepare to open your true capacity, break liberated from the conventional limits of retail, and embrace the endless conceivable outcomes of outsourcing. You have a chance to change the world. Are you prepared to take advantage of this amazing opportunity? How to begin now that you have a basic understanding of dropshipping? Let's discuss how to begin. To begin with, you want to track down a productive specialty. Research different business sectors and distinguish items with popularity and low contest. Then, you'll have to set up your internet-based store. Shopify and ecommerce are two examples of platforms that make setting up and customizing your store simple. The next step is to find products once your store is up and running. Ideally, you should look for dependable suppliers that also provide dropshipping services. They can be found in dropshipping directories or on platforms like AliExpress. Also, keep in mind that success depends on branding and marketing, so put some time into developing a solid brand identity and promoting your products through social media and other channels. Tips for success: like any other kind of business, dropshipping can be made successful with the right strategies and advice. First and foremost, provide superior customer service. Be responsive, address any concerns promptly, and make sure that your suppliers and you communicate well. Furthermore, center around item determination. Analyze your sales data on a regular basis and modify your product offerings as necessary. It is essential to offer products that resonate with your target audience and to remain current on market trends. Finally, put money into advertising and marketing. Investigate various channels like Facebook promotions, Google promotions, or Powerhouse. Join efforts to contact a more extensive crowd and direct people to your store. Scaling and robotization. Whenever you've acquired a few encounter and your outsourcing business is producing benefits, now is the right time to contemplate scaling and mechanization. Consider reappropriating undertakings like client assistance or request satisfaction to save your time and permit you to zero in on essential parts of your business. Additionally, look into opportunities to target new markets or broaden your product line. You can establish a thriving, long-lasting, and passive income-generating dropshipping business with the right systems and procedures in place. Furthermore, that's it, parents. An in-depth look at dropshipping and how to get started making money with this exciting business model. Keep in mind that dedication, research, and continual education are necessary for dropshipping success. However, you can build a profitable online business if you have the right mindset and strategies. Assuming you found this video accommodating, remember to hit that like button, buy into our channel, and turn on the notice chime to remain refreshed with our most recent substance. Additionally, as always, we value your participation and support in the following comment section. Please let us know if you have any inquiries or suggestions for specific subjects we should cover in subsequent videos. We want to support you on your way to success. Good day. Gratitude for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful and motivating. Dropshipping can change everything for people who want to start an online business and make money. Follow the steps we go over in this video and put your newfound knowledge to use if you're ready to jump into the world of dropshipping. Before we wrap up, I need to remind you to buy into our feed and hit that notice ringer so you never miss any of our significant substance. Your help means everything to us and assists us with keeping on making recordings like this one. Also, remember to let us know in the comments if you have any questions or want to share your dropshipping experience. Thank you once more for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Keep safe and good luck with your dropshipping endeavors. Until then, continue hustling and pursuing those enterprising dreams.